Yo, YouTubers. Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach y'all how to create a new channel. Okay, so first go to your channel icon right there in the top corner. Then go to your Creator Studio. Once you're in your dashboard or Creator Studio, go right here. Click on your icon and then click on YouTube settings. Okay, next you will find on your account part. No, I don't want to do that. You will find your account part and click on see all my channels or create a new channel. These are all of my channels, but this is my main one. This is my gaming one, and this was my old one, and this is mine, and that's my music channel. Okay, so I'm gonna create a new channel. You can create a new channel, but first you have to create a brand account. Okay, I'm going to put just like that. There we go. Create, because I'm not gonna upload on it anything on there. Okay. Now, I'm going to search for my YouTube channel. Christian Music Rocks. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down and see right there. Now I'm going to click subscribe. Okay, there we go. That's how you create a new channel. Okay, so like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, bye.